Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in the kitchen we're going to be chefing up some Jamaican brown stew chicken, and it's going to be just a little bit healthier. I'm going to be using a lot more ground provisions like scotch bonnet peppers, scallion, thyme, oregano, um you know onions, garlic cloves. So I have my browning. I'm showing you the brand that I'm using. My chicken is washed and I'm just about to massage this browning. The brown stuff you see on it is the brown nut I put on it. And my pot is on high heat on the stove. I'm gonna adjust the settings after. When I put the meat in the pot, I often adjust the settings, and I get a little bit of oil and put it in the bottom of the pot so it can get to temperature, the high temperature, while the pot is getting ready. And people, do not, if you know the pot is not dry or you have doubts that water particles are in the pot, don't put the oil in it. We're gonna cause an explosion. You don't want that. But I was just showing you in the clip previous the seasonings that I used, and this is the brown stew chicken in the pot, and I'm just looking at how luscious it looks, so delicious and flavorful. And you don't need a whole bunch of additives to make something taste good. And that's my kettle. I'm boiling my kettle because I'm gonna add the water to the pot. So even though the chicken springs its own water, to make it cook a little bit faster, I had a little, and don't stick and burn, I make sure, because it was on high heat, it's gonna take a little bit more time to go down to a certain temperature. So I make sure I had a little bit more water to it, so just in case the water is reduced in the pot, is not reduced to an extent where anything sticks and burns. And your girl gonna be checking up on it, like Beyonce. I'm gonna check up on you tonight. So I'm just gonna close my pot, let it simmer on medium heat, and I'm just going to, clean up and do what I need to do in the meantime. So in this clip, you can see she's bubbling. She's marinating all those flavors together. She's coming together nicely. However, I would suggest keeping a close eye on it and checking it like every 5 to 6 minutes, because you don't want, see, it can cook down very quickly. So this is within a see, I'm showing you how quickly the meat is falling off the bones, and you don't want to be eating. I understand that you want your meat to be cooked, but you don't want it shredded. You don't want shredded chicken, okay? You want pieces of the chicken on the plate, not shredded pieces. So just keep a close watch. And I'm just using the sauce at the bottom of the pot to just marinate the flavors over all the meat in the pot and get everybody nicely coated and drenched in the luscious juice of that brown stew. And I'm just, taking my time and add a little bit of brown stew seasoning. So as you guys can see, I didn't had a lot of preservatives or a lot of seasonings. I used mostly natural ground provision seasoning because I'm really trying to be healthy, y'all. That the weight loss video is coming, the lifestyle video is coming. Just stay tuned, hit that notification bell, like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? And that's how it looks. I'm just about to let this cook down for probably like 10 minutes on medium heat. I kept it at medium heat for like 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. And yes, that's how it looks. And I'm just about to plate it, and I'm just showing you like the gravy consistency. Like, you didn't need to add anything else. It was perfect. And it's smoking up the camera, but you guys can see. And that's how it looks in my container. And yeah, guys, that's how you make Jamaican brown stew chicken. And you can add your carrots, potatoes, other vegetables you want, but I didn't have any of those in my fridge. However, I'm gonna show you a final plating of what my dinner looks like. But that's Jamaican brown stew chicken, easy breezy and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.